this is the unboxing of the Particle Argon kit. See, it comes in this nice package. Get that out of here. This is supposed to be in all these bags. I already opened it up, but this is what it comes with. The argon actual particle itself, a breadboard, it's USB, little, I don't even know, little antenna thing, and these suckers, I don't know what those are. Alright, so once you get everything out, get your particle, just shove it into the breadboard, nice and snug. Get your little antenna thing, you're going to want to attach it right here, bop, like so. Then get your power source, mine's plugged in the computer, and just you'll have this blue dot blinking. But once you get everything plugged in, you're going to want to get the Particle app to set up your argon. So scan it with your phone. Take it to this spot. My apartment Wi-Fi is kind of weird due to the Wi-Fi. Congrats, I paired it. It's cool. Alright, once you connect to Argon to the internet, it's going to ask you to name the device. I'm going to name mine Braves World Series Champs. If we lose, I'm dropping out. Give your network a name. I'm going to just do my last name. Never pass. Alright, once you set everything up, you can go over here to the Tinker tab. And on D7, if you select Digital Write, you can toggle on and off this blue LED light just by clicking it. And that's my video. Hope you loved it. Go Braves.